What's going on, everyone? We're taking a look at DraftKings. DraftKings is up 5% on the day, currently being traded at $15.12. I want you guys to all kind of watch something here on DraftKings. If DraftKings does want to kind of get going here a little bit, this, if we hold, and there's only about 10 minutes left of the day, so I'm gonna, act as if we are gonna hold this 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame is bullish for DraftKings. Over today's highs of $15 and around 30 cents, we've got room to push up into this 50 EMA. This is the next price target that I'm looking at if we confirm this week's highs. $18. Okay, so $17.99. That's going to be a hell of a trade for some of you guys looking to kind of get into a short-term swing trade or potentially day trade this on a day-to-day basis into the $18 area. We have not been over the 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame on DraftKings, going all the way back here to 2021 when we lost it. We lost this here on September the 20th of 2021 is when the last time DraftKings was over its 50-day weekly moving average. So that's a very, very long time. If we've had multiple attempts to try to test it. Just as of late in December, we did try to test it once, got a little close here, and we got semi-close here back in October of 2022. But this is the first time we're going to get ready to test and close officially over this 50-day moving average, which is bullish, right? If you've kind of been holding DraftKings, you've kind of felt the pain for quite some time now. And essentially, it's just been, trading within a very bottom range channel here between $9 and around $21. So that 10-point range for over a year and a half is brutal, right? Especially if you have an average price that is over that $20 range here. So what we would be looking at, again, just to kind of mark this out for you, this is significant because it's the first time in over a year and a half almost essentially that we are over its 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame. If we kind of look at the shorter term time frame and look at the daily, okay, we are approaching the upper channel. The upper channel is sitting at around $15.80. If we can break over the 1580 mark, the first stop is going to be 1677, and any close over 1677 with a successful back test or consolidation does have room to stretch back up to these recent highs going back to August, which is going to be around that $20 to $22 range. That's the play we're looking at. If I kind of just draw this trend line here, right? If I draw this trend line and kind of move it to where it has multiple touch points, and we kind of see exactly where that's at, the 3 touch points. So we're kind of actually breaking out now. If I move it down just a little bit lower to have multiple touch points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have successfully broken out of this trend line. Okay, we've broken out of this trend line. And if I kind of blow this up, if you kind of look at this touch point here, 1, touch point 2, touch point 3, break out, and we could not hold it. We came back down to the 50-day moving average, and now we're on a second breakout with some consolidation going sideways. This is bullish price action here. So we would realistically have to lose the 50-day moving average at 1355 before this trend breaks and this flag breaks here on the daily pattern. First stop I'd be looking for is $15.80, and like I said, 1677. I hope that helps. Hope you guys are going to start to make some money here on some of these smaller cap stocks that have been really beaten up. Maybe we can get a nice little bull run. Tell your friends, everyone, come back to the market. Okay, come back. I know a lot of people got pushed out of the market over the past year to year and a half, 2 years. It's okay. We're all still here. We're all still making money. You just have to learn a little bit better risk management and learn some more technical analysis, so you guys don't get blown out on the next kind of downturn or whatever, right? So I know there's a lot of people that are still scared to go long. Hey, are we going to go up and touch all-time highs? I don't know. We could come back down too as well and put in a another leg down, but we'll be ready for it, right? I mean, as a trader, that's all you have to do. You just have to be ready for the moves, whether they're long or whether they're short. And you kind of have to stay out of the market's ways when we're just going sideways. But right now we're on a push up. We've been on a push up, going back to the end of December. So as we come in here to the end of January, we've been on a month run up here on DraftKings, and I hope you guys have been able to catch this wave and make some money. If you do invest into DraftKings, even if you're a long time holder, you guys should be taking profits, averaging down. You should be playing some options contracts in and out, of these levels, so you guys can try to recuperate some of this money that has been lost as a long-term holder on DraftKings. But with that being said, if you guys want to learn a little bit more, ask some questions, trade with some other guys, a good group of guys that do this on a day-to-day basis, Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.